We have a new project, and it's a little console for my neighbor. And I've got this stunning old runway sleeper that I've been storing as usual, so I want to try and do something different with it. And this seems to be the opportunity that presents itself. So let's make something creative out of this. A few steel offcuts, and let's see what we can come up with. So these are the materials that I have. I've got some steel leftovers that I want to use, and I'm thinking of doing, obviously the wood with the steel looks really good, so I'm going to use the flat bar thing to create the legs, although this one's a bit floppy, so I think I'm going to go, I don't know if I'm going to do front, maybe even side looks cool. Do something that way, and then involve the flat bar at the bottom to create something unique, so it just stands out a little bit. So let us sand these down, grind them, clean them, get the rust off, and then I can get some shapes going. Yeah, can't believe how hard this stuff is. I don't like to fight. Let's use gravity. Cool. So now we're going to do this with the leg. We're going to have the piece across. Although to be honest, I actually don't need a back piece. It's just to create a vibe. I think I'm going to do it like this, but with another piece. This one's too thick. So we've done it. It's looking kind of good. It stands, that's a good thing. I think ideally what I'm going to suggest to the client is they actually put a piece of glass on it, which will look very nice. So I've left these a little bit proud in order to do that. I think I'm going to put one more in the back towards the bottom, and also keep that bright so the glass can balance on that. I do want to do a back support here because I think it's going to help this as well. So I'm thinking if I put one down here, and then what I can do is I can put the spacer actually on that. That would be quite nice. At least then I get to utilize them. It gives it something a little bit more stable. Got to use my little bracket. I'm so happy. Really nice, straight. I am going to be replacing those screws with these ones and make sure that they're super sharp. Okay, that looks good. I can weld this section and then I'm going to grind everything nice and clean. So what I've decided to do is do some brackets for the glass, and then I'm going to use the spaces that I wanted to use initially. Put those guys in over there like that. It'll look quite nice. It just gives it a little bit of something as well. So the only thing is, should I do it here or should I move it in a bit? That is the question. I think I should do it on the edge. You'll also see it more. Yeah, something like that. I like that. I think that's good. Yeah, I think these are cheap Chinese bolts. Yeah, look. Crap, eh? Great. Vice grip trick. So just do it. Also, this wood has no give whatsoever. That is skew. I used the wrong hole. Son of a. Let's try again. Amazes me how hard wood can be. It's actually incredible. It's incredible. To give it a bit of a shine, make it look polished and finished. try to do it by hand. I'm scared of these things. The wood is solid. Anybody knows what it is. I love this part of a project when everything comes together, it's all painted. Just looks finished. Perfect.